Hey there, today we're going to be talking about grain direction. Knowing whether a paper has a short or long grain direction is important for various printing, folding, and binding processes. There are several methods to determine the grain direction of paper, but we'll be demonstrating one of the quickest methods using a sheet of color plan paper. To begin, I am gently bending the paper in both directions. The direction that offers less resistance and bends more easily often indicates the grain direction. After bending the color plan both ways, I can feel that there is less resistance on the longer side, indicating the paper has a long grain direction. To confirm, we can then test the fold. As I fold on the shorter side, notice there's a bit more resistance and the fibers have begun to crack along the crease. Whereas folding lengthwise, you can see the crease is much crisper. When I go in with a bone folder, notice how smoothly the fold is finished, whereas when I attempt to do the same on the shorter side, there's a bit more resistance. When I open it back up, you can compare the two folds. The fold that is easier to make and results in a smoother crease indicates the grain direction, which in this case is the longer side. By using this method, you can accurately determine the grain direction of paper and ensure the best results for your projects.